Hello everyone, my name is Alzeni, I'm from Brazil. Today I'm going to talk about learning vocabulary. The hints I'm going to give today are for people who already have some knowledge of the English language. These hints are for you to increase your vocabulary, which is a very important aspect to speak more fluently. To start with, I'm going to explain the process of learning vocabulary in according to my point of view regarding to the English language. What does it mean, learn a word? Well, learning a word for me means to recognize the word in four different aspects. First, form. Second, meaning. Third, sound. And fourth, usage. Form. Form is the way the word is written. Meaning is the value it has in a specific social context. Sound. Sound is the way the word is pronounced. Usage. Be able to recognize the word in a meaningful and real context. The process of learning vocabulary includes 5 phases, which are: meet, come across the word. Understand, get to know the meaning in context. Familiarize, use the word in context. Process, store the word in your long-term memory. And retrieve, bring the word back later and use it. Now, I'm going to explain each one of these phases. Number 1, meet, come across the words. You come across words, vocabulary, in different ways, such as reading a text, watching a movie, listening to a song, writing something, and even when you are talking. There is a very important aspect to be considered when you choose a text to read, a film to watch, a song to listen to, and a subject to write. The topic, the issue, or the subject must be of your interest. It must be about something that you really like. Number 2, understand. Get to know the meaning of the word in context. If you are reading a text, for instance, don't stop reading it every time you meet a new word. Instead of this, you should highlight the word or write it down in a piece of paper. Do the same procedure when you are watching a movie, when you are listening to a song, or even when you are talking. Then the next step is look up the meaning of the word in a good dictionary. And you should consider the context the word is being used. It's very important to say, guys, that you don't translate it. It's also important to check the pronunciation. Good dictionaries present the sound, the way the word is pronounced. Click on the respective icon and listen to the pronunciation and repeat it. So, this will help your brain to record the sound in your long-term memory. Here are some techniques I've used to help with the comprehension of the new vocabulary. First, write the word 7 times. Second, listen to the pronunciation 7 times. And third, repeat it out loud 7 times. Number 3, familiarize. Use the word in real and meaningful context. In this phase, you can start by writing 7 different sentences with the new word. You may also use the new word to make a description of something, someone, or a situation. Example, let's take the word blurred. It's important to get to know the word class, the grammatical class, or part of speech, such as if it is a verb, a noun, an adjective, etc. In this case, guys, the word blurred is an adjective. So, I wrote this sentence. I couldn't read the text because my eyes were blurred. Besides writing 7 sentences with the new word, I also used the new word in real context. I have bought a new pair of glasses, so I showed my new pair of glasses to a friend of mine, and I asked him, "Don't touch the lenses, because I don't want it to get blurred." Okay, so this is a good hint. Number 4, process. Store the word in your long-term memory. As you see, it's quite important to use the vocabulary in real contexts, in real situations, so that it will help your brain to store the new vocabulary in your long-term memory. Number 5, retrieve. Bring back the word later and use it. How to know if you stored the new vocabulary in your long-term memory? Well, you only know you've stored the new vocabulary in your long-term memory when you are able to retrieve the new word on a later time. How to find it out? I have a hint, guys. When I wrote that sentence, I couldn't read the text because my eyes were blurred. I also wrote a question for that sentence. The question was, why couldn't you read the text? 1 week later, you should try to answer this question and check it out if you are able to retrieve the new word. If you get it, it means that you have stored the new word in your long-term memory. Okay, guys, so do you know the saying, no pain, no gain? That's it, guys. If you really want to increase your vocabulary and speak more fluently, it's quite necessary, quite important to work hard on it. In my next video, guys, I will give you hints about how to learn English verb tenses. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please click on like and leave your comments. Bye!